Hello friends, welcome back to Java 9 tutorials again. In the previous section, we have just started with modules, what modular programming is having special in comparing with previous Java versions, and we also had a glance over the JMods folder and their content as well. So we have seen how the libraries are being organized earlier and how they are grouped as modules in Java 9, JDK 9 now. Right. Now we just want to have some deeper look into the modules folder and see some more details from Java 9 modules. Let us open the modules folder. Inside them we have something interesting, JDK 9 JMods. So we have a variety of modules listed inside the JMods folder, among which there is one particular module which is very important for the JVM execution in Java 9, which is java.base.jmod. This is the parent module for all the modules inside the JMods folder. So even though if you are creating a user defined module or is there any built-in modules of which are part of a JVM, this is the base or parent or mother module for all the modules inside this. But this module java.base is not dependent on any other modules. It is a standalone module by itself. All other modules, rest of the modules are dependent on this. Even though you are creating a user defined module, this is going to be your parent module. You may not write code explicitly to define this as a parent module, but the JVM automatically identifies this as a parent module and processes your user defined module accordingly. So it is very much important to know java.base is the parent for all the modules in JDK or Java 9, 10, any of the future versions. That is very much important. The next thing I want to say is there is a naming convention you can observe in the module names. Some of the modules starts with the prefix java.base, desktop, compiler and all. So these modules and some of the modules starts with the prefix JDK. All these things are JDK related. Okay, so what does the naming convention signifies? The naming convention where the prefix starts with Java represents all the Java SE specification related modules. If there is a new feature introduced in your Java specification, then it will be part of java.activation, java.base. So the prefix Java will be a part of the Java specification modules. What about JDK? So this JDK modules are simple your normal regular JDK related functionality modules. So your JDK has this feature and automatically it will be a module. So all the JDK wide features are being grouped as JDK modules. All your specification related features are being grouped as Java modules. So these are all the two types of conventions. They are not rules, they are conventions. You can simply define them by the name. Right. It is a small introduction on the JMods folder, how the file is being organized and how their naming conventions are being taken forward. Now let us see something in action. I am opening my command prompt, zooming it in for better readability. Yeah. So I have Java version 1.8 installed in my machine. So I cannot experiment Java 9 related features here. For that I have installed Java 9 separately. I am going to access it directly using the path. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to invoke my jdk bin ls. So if you see the structure, it has lot of files. So I have Java, Java C executor and all other executable files available in my jdk9 bin. Now, what I'm going to do is I am going to invoke my Java virtual machine with the flag list modules. So what does this flag will do? If you type list modules, it will list what are all the modules installed in your virtual machine. So all the things we have seen inside the JMods folder which are installed in your virtual machine is being listed here. See here all your Java related modules including the base, activation, desktop, all this blah blah blah. Similar to this your JDK modules as well. So all the modules which are part of your current JDK setup, current virtual machine setup is being listed using the flag or switch Java list modules. This is very much important for us to know. Right. Now, so far we have seen all the predefined modules, how those modules are being listed here, and what are their roles and responsibilities. Now we are going to create our own module. So we are going to create a user defined module. So how to create a hello world module, or a simplest module in the world, and put a file or put a class inside the module, how to invoke the main class. This is what we are going to see in the forthcoming things, right? So now I'm going to create a folder for my work. I'm going to name my folder as Java 9 samples, cd Java 9 samples. So this is going to be my work directory. So inside the work directory, I am going to create a module. So whenever we are going to create a module, we need to remember two things. The module name must be the same name in which we are going to create a directory. We need to create a directory in a name which should be carried as the module name. For example, I am considering my module as bookshop. Then my directory also should be named as bookshop. Similar to this. Then inside my directory, inside my module directory, I need to create a file called module-info.java. The file name is not optional. It should be mandatory with the name module-info.java. So on compiling the file, a module-info.class will be generated by the compiler. So whenever a folder or a directory contains a file called module-info.class, the virtual machine understands it as a module. Based on this, it will compile the packages and restricts the scopes of the packages and classes inside the module accordingly. So this is very much important. Whenever you create a module, you are interested to create a module, you should name your directory as same as your module. Okay. So this is what's being mentioned here. Now I am going to create a directory, a module for me, mkdir. I am going to name my module as my module. So this is the name I am going to provide, my module. Now what I am going to do, I am going to create a file module-info.java inside my module directory. Pico, this is my directory. What I'm going to create, module-info.java. So this is the file I'm going to create. So how to create this file? So any module-info.java file should be prefixed with the keyword module. So this is the keyword which specifies the compiler this as a module descriptor. Next, I need to mention the module name. What is my module name? It is my module. Open, close. We have a lot more things written in as a part of this descriptor, but those things are new features we are going to see in the future sessions. For now, I am going to create an empty module declaration. So this step is called module description, and the file module-info.java is called as module descriptor. So I have defined a module for my code, save and exit. So now I am done with my module. What I am going to do, I am going to create a package inside the module. So how I am going to create a package? So mkdir my module. What I am going to name my package, com my package. So I am adding the flag p. So this will create folders for me. So I am done with com my package created inside my module. Now I'm going to create a main class inside the package. Pico com my package. I'm going to name it as hello.java. So what I'm going to do, package com dot my package class hello public static void main string args of. So this is going to be a very straightforward file. Println hello module. Yeah. So I'm named it as hello and it is printing hello module, closing the braces with the formalities. So now I am done with the class hello. Let us put it as a public class. Yeah. So I have created a class hello inside my package, my package. It is a main class because there is a main method residing in it and it is printing something to the screen. It is a very simple code, right? So you can see the structure in which my code is being organized. So how it is being organized? Java 9 samples is my work directory, inside which I have created a folder my module. So my module is my module folder, inside which I have the module-info.java module descriptor file residing. So this module-info.java contains a simple keyword module and my module name. That's all. There is nothing more into it. Right. So I am done with my module here. After that, I have created a package. My package name is com my package. So where I have created the package, my package is being created under the module. I have created a package using the mkdir command. Right. Next, what I did, inside the package, I have created a main class which is named as hello.java. It resides inside the package com my package. It is a very simple code I have written. So from the hello.java, we are printing the word hello module. Right. Now what I am going to do, I am going to compile my source code. I am going to compile the source code. So how I need to compile? Home. I am going to invoke the same Java C compiler. Bin Java C. To the compiler, I need to mention two files now. One is my module descriptor, another one is my hello.java main class. So where is my module descriptor residing? My module, it is inside my module, module info. So this is my module descriptor. The next one I need to show is my main class. So I need to compile these two files. So first enter it, done. So on compiling these two files, if you switch over to your module directory and type ls, you can see there is a file generated with the name module-info.class, which is nothing but the binary for module-info.java. So whenever the Java virtual machine encounters the module-info.class in your directory structure, it will identify the current containing folder as a module. So now on seeing the module info.class, Java virtual machine will conclude my module is the folder which should be considered as a module. So the module descriptor module info.class contains, what does it contains? It is a simple declaration, module, my module. So based on the declaration or the instruction or the description given here, the Java virtual machine will handle the package code residing inside. Right. It is a very simple thing. So what I am going to do now is I am going to execute my main class, which is hello.java. So how to execute my main class? The similarly, it is as simple as the same. Now what we need to do is we need to use the same Java command. It is a normal thing. I'm invoking the Java virtual machine with the flag hyphen hyphen module hyphen path. We need to mention where my module information is. That is module hyphen info dot class resides. It is inside my module. So this is the module name inside which the module info dot class can be seen. The next flag is my main class. Where is my main class residing? My main class is residing inside the module, but inside the module, it is inside the package com dot, I think it is my package, and the class name is hello. As simple as this. I need to pass two values to the Java virtual machine. The first one is my module path, where my module is. The next one is my main class package path along with the module. See here, it is being printed as hello module. As simple as this. It is a very simple code which takes care of compiling a module, and after compiling the module, we are just informing the Java virtual machine, this is the module, this is the package. You execute it. So the virtual machine takes care of executing the package based on the instructions we have provided in the module info.java. As of now, we don't have any specific instructions. We just specified this is a module. So based on that, it got executed. So let us navigate the folder structure now for our source code. So it is inside the Java samples. So what I will do, I will just open it here in the Windows. You can see this. My module is my module here. If I open my module, there is module info.class and module info.java. This is the module info I have written. It is the binary being generated here. And this is my package com my package. So already I have a hello.java. It is being compiled into hello.class. It is as simple as this. We have our work directory. we have the module, inside the module we have packages, inside the package we have the source code. So there are some more things which are interesting. We will see how to restrict the scope of the modules, how to restrict the classes generated inside the modules, everything in the forthcoming sessions. For now, it is very much important and enough for now to know that how to create a module. Every module should have a directory with the module name, and inside the directory there should be a file called module-info.java. It should have the module descriptor written inside this. This is what very much important while writing modules in Java 9. So we will see much more details in module descriptors and handling modules, scope of variables in future video sessions. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, and also please click the bell button. This will enable you to get the updates whenever a new video is being posted. If you have any doubts or any confusions or any suggestions, please put them below in the comment section. I am very much happy to reply to your queries. Thank you for watching this session. Let us catch up in the next session. Bye for now.